Unfortunately, we've hit a problem. The tachometer drive body looks like it's been cross-threaded at some point. The previous owner, you can see how bad it is. So for £8, I'm going to fit a new one. It also has an O-ring on it as well, and that is one of the tachometer drive gears there, which slots in. Right guys, we've got the tacho drive shaft in place. New circlips on each side, and it has been lubed with engine oil, clean engine oil of course. So the next step, I'm going to put the outer gear on. Right, so what we've done guys is we've packed the seals in the inside with red rubber grease, which is what it says in the manual. Right everyone, the crank is in. So we're at a stop now, unfortunately. I went to fit my engine bolts for the top of the cases. Look, I was just checking everything off before I went putting RTV on. And the Allen bolts, not hex bolts, so I've got some genuine ones on the way. Obviously going all this trouble, I don't want it to be wrong. Oh yeah, nice little bit of a parts haul going on, all genuine stuff. So I hope you've enjoyed the video so far. This is obviously part 2 and I'll have a part 3 coming shortly.